Okay, today we're going to show you how to quickly clean your DSLR lens. We cleaned our body and lens before, and you may have seen that video separately, but right now you're watching this video on the camera we cleaned, which is a Canon 550D, and we also have an additional camera because we like our cameras. This one is the 5D Mark II, and the 5D Mark II is due its clean. We normally just give it a good old rub. So we get the lens off. What you might notice on our lens is we have these bad boys here, which are 10,000 million pounds, and they are
Too much, mate. Too much.
That's how much it is.
No, it's probably £800.
So you might count, mate. I can't hear you.
Oh, that.
Yeah, that's come on now. That's
Oh yeah, that's a lot of money.
That's
Like,
priceless.
yeah.
This helps us.
Instead of using your arm, instead of putting that much effort, instead of putting that much effort into your fingers,
Let's use your arm.
instead of putting that much effort into your fingers, you can just buy that and use that.
Yeah. So it basically.
Instead of using your fingers either way.
No, the arm. I think that's where you're going wrong. You're using your arm. I've got that video as well. Has been okay. Look, so that basically allows you to do that smooth motion of just focusing. So that is excellente. And the lens will be, yeah, we're doing the lens, aren't we? We're not doing the body. Okay, so lens 24 to 7C 2.8 with a massive hood. So the first thing on this is we're using it. Oh, okay. Let's get this on the road. I normally put the rear lens cap on, and then we have a special bag with a fiber cloth.
That's probably like £200. That.
No, that's just 99 pence.
Okay.
Yeah, let's not get carried away. It's only that one. That's 10,000 million pounds. Okay, so this gives the lens a rub because everybody uses this lens. Everybody uses it, and they get their paws all over it when they're eating snacks, and it gets a bit. Okay, and I am being a bit vigorous with this lens, so I know souls people out there don't like me to get all. Okay, look at that. Okay, can you see that? It's like a bit dusty. So now we're going to move on to the front element, and let's remove that. We have special items here which we use to clean the lens. First of all, we normally give it a good old little.
Give me a good old rabbit.
Wipe. What they suggest is blow off any debris that's on pointing the
Debris.
way. Yeah, any debris. Debris like bits and bobs of little. Dust and shizzle like that.
Okay.
Blow it away and then brush it off. Otherwise, it causes it to scratch. Like if you have a car, don't wipe it when it's. Don't dry wipe it because you're basically using the stones on it and causing yourself loads of scratches, minimal scratches. This lens has a cheap filter on. We always have filters on our lenses just to keep them in optimum condition, and if there's any fall or breakages, it's less likely to scratch the glass. We just scratch the front element of the cheapo. Okay, look at that beautiful. Ooh, mate. Ooh, can I show you that in every single angle? Look at that beauty. Look at that beauty. Okay, so still a little bit of. That's that done. What I normally do is, we've got the lens cap here. Normally the cap, I just give that a little brush off because sometimes dust sits in there. So we whack that on there. Did you get a good thumbnail for this video?
No, because you're using that thumbnail camera.
Oh yeah, okay. We've got another camera, haven't we? Okay, let's give that. We've got the 550 over there. We've got the.
And we've got the Honor 1 million 10x. We've got the Honor 1 million 10x that I'm using for the thumbnails.
Oh right, okay. That's a good test of your camera. We might do a video about that camera, because we haven't really covered that.
Megapixels. Okay,
there. So we're basically just giving it a good old clean. And if you're familiar with lenses, you will know you want them in smudge-free. What was that? Okay. I also just give the mount a bit of a wipe because you're taking the picture in the worst possible way. You're taking it in portrait mode, Tonesy. Do you know that? Do you know that? And we won't be able to use any of those because we're not putting them on Instagram or TikTok, as you mandems call it.
That's not our time, mate.
Is it? What's your time?
What's your time? Facebook.
Ooh, lethal jab. You trying to say I'm old, mate? Okay, there we go. Now that is ready to be mounted back onto the body.
Give me a good old rabbit.
What I will do is just to let you know, we normally wipe down the body, and this is a full frame camera body. It's a 5D Mark II, and we normally have the 24-70 mounted on this bad boy. Just give it a good wipe. Is there anything else? Just normally take that off. We normally just give that a little bit of a clean in there because it gets a dusty. And I'm not even positioning this in a way that you can see it. Also, we're having 3 camera angles if you're not gonna show them all night. Okay, so that was a good clean there. This has a screen protector on it, so it won't get scratched up like our 550D has been getting scratched up. Okay, so that is your 5D Mark II clean and your 24-70 2.8 minimum maximum distance. Done, and done. Hope you enjoyed that clean. Make sure to check out the body clean of the Canon 550D in this video somewhere here. Where was it? Jackie Chan does that in one of the films.